An object is in circular motion. The period of its motion is 2 seconds and its velocity is 20 meters per second. What is the radius of its motion? A. 7.87 meters, B. 3.56 meters, C. 5.61 meters, D. 6.36 meters, or E. 5.67 meters. Now, once again, the first thing we got to equate is the velocity with respect to the circumference of our circle and the total time it takes to go around, the period. So, knowing this and doing this again, we're going to have V is equal to 2 pi r over t, capital T, because it's a period. So now 2 pi r, as we remember, is the circumference of our circle. So this is the total distance that we're going to travel in the period, because the period is the total time to make one revolution. Therefore, the total distance that we'd have traveled would be the circumference. Now, if we divide the circumference by the total time it takes to travel, we know that that would give us our velocity. So now that we have solved for this equation, we're now going to implement it, use it, and a means that will help us to solve our problem. So now they're asking for what is the radius of our motion. So we have to solve this equation in terms of just r. We need r by itself. So the first thing we're going to do is to multiply both sides by the period, capital T, to get 2 pi r is equal to Vt. Now, because we want r alone, we're going to divide both sides by 2 pi, giving us r is equal to V times the period over 2 pi. Now, we're given the velocity and we're given the period of our motion. We know value 2, we know 2, it's just its value. And now pi is the ratio of the circumference of the diameter, which we all know is 3.14, and it keeps going on. You can just use 3.14 or just actually plug in pi on your calculator and do this out, get a little bit more of an approximate answer, but it should be close enough even if you use the 3.14. Probably best if you use the pi symbol though. Okay, so now we know what all of our values are. We just got to plug them in to our calculator. So V is 20 meters per second, period is 2 seconds, and we're divided by 2 pi, and now this will give us a value of 40 meters divided by 2 pi. Now, if you actually calculate this out, you should get a radius of roughly 6.36 meters. So our answer is D, 6.36 meters.